Yeah, the 7th of June, and it's around 5:45 in the morning, going down Apparition Hill, and you can see a lot of pilgrims are around. Because it's too hot during the days, they go up very early in the morning, and let's go the way down together. You see, it's the season starting in Medjugorje, so a lot of people are here, as you can see already at 5:50 in the morning. And let's go down together. It's nice and cool still, but already humidity is very high. We're all sweating, but it's great fun. It's just nice. It's a meditation, you know. More joy than fun, you know. Worldly fun. It's joy. It's a peace. It's joy up here. If you come on Apparition Hill, and I can recommend to everyone, come to Medjugorje, come to Apparition Hill, go up, climb the mountain. You will experience beautiful things. And if you like the channel, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and give a like. And that we are going to promote all together Medjugorje and the beauty of Our Lady and her works here in Medjugorje. Hey, Maddie. Good morning. Hello. Yeah. Oh, baby. Good morning. Yeah. Nice to see you. Have a good morning. As you see, there are all these dogs around here as well, which is beautiful. And I leave you with this view on this beautiful group. Bye bye for now.